This is a 2010 Lincoln MKS. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, all-wheel drive. Plus, having just come off lease, this Lincoln is in like-new condition. Its top features include a turbocharger, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, the SecuriLock anti-theft system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, solar tinted glass, and this vehicle has less than 36,000 miles. This Lincoln has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.